Hello and welcome. This is Momentum, your host. And first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. Okay, so this is the chart of gold on your screen, and we will talk about gold later. First of all, let's have a look on our Friday signals report from 14th to 19th October. On Monday, we gave 4 signals, 3 of them hit our TP and 1 unfortunately the stop loss. Tuesday, we gave 5 signals, 4 signals hit the TP, 1 signal hit all targets, 100 pips target, and 1 again unfortunately hit the stop loss. On Wednesday, we gave 6 signals, 5 hit the TP and 1 we closed manually on 30 minus pips. And on Thursday, we gave 4 signals, 4 of them hit the TP. And on Friday we gave 4 signals, 4 signals, and 3 hit the TP, 1 hit the stop loss and extended stop loss. Usually our stop loss is 60 pips, but 15 pips we gave some extension so the market can reverse, but unfortunately it didn't. So this is the chart of gold on, and this is the chart that we were discussing on Thursday. As you can see, I told you guys, these are two zones for the buying reversal. As you can see, the red zone is very important. The market may retest this red zone. As you can see, the market just retest this red zone and got away. Okay, so these were two zones and told you that market will retest the red one or maybe the lower trend line, the lower zone, but this is kinda hard because market is in the bullish direction. So we can say that the market will test this, kiss the red zone, and then it will fly. And as you can see, our prediction was 100% accurate. Okay, so first of all, you can join our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description, and let's try to analyze the next analysis. This is the chart of gold according to 1 hour candle, and if I draw a parallel regression channel from lower zone to lower zone, then this is the structure that I am getting. According to this structure, the gold is in the buying direction from October 15 October. Okay, the gold retest this above line, lower line, above, lower, above, lower, above, and lower, and again above. So according to this, there is a pattern of almost 50% retracement. Why I told you 50%? As you can see, let me show you once again. The market retests its higher high but never the lower one, which means 50% retracement. The market tests the higher zone, higher trend line, but never the lower zone. So there is a possibility of 50% retracement. So this is the 50% retracement level. Let me show you. Okay, and this is the 100% retracement level, support level. Okay, now there are two zones according to H1 candle for the buying of gold. As you can see, the gold will be in the bullish direction once again. Once it will retest the zones, the zone number 1 is 2707. If it will retest this and hold here like that, but the condition is that it should hold above the line, the black line, then we can say that it will be in the bullish direction once again. Okay, so the condition number 2, that the market can break this structure. After retesting this, it will hold here like that. If it will do so, then we will have a double bottom pattern here. The bottom number 1 is here, the bottom number 1, and the market will make a bottom number 2. Okay, yes, the ultimately goal of gold is the bullish momentum. Yes, I told you that the 2707 is the target of the market, and market have successfully hit it. So there are two possibility buying zone, 2707 and 2790. Okay, so this was about the gold according to H1 candle, and let's have a look between H4. According to H4, the condition is non very similar. So here it is the zone as well as a rejection and a support level. As you can see, this is the level the market should retrace for more buying direction. Okay, let me show you with an example. Suppose this is the zone and market break this, then market came back to retest this zone. Let me show you once again. Okay, market was moving in the above direction, it break out this zone, it retest this zone. After breakout, it came down, again up, again down. It broke the zone and trapped the sellers here. Sellers thought the market have broken down its support level, now it will be in the selling direction, but market pranked them. This is a prank. Okay, again this will going to happen next when buyers are thinking that the market will go higher, and higher. This is not the very simple method of trade. Trade is always do with the special knowledge. Okay, similar condition from that point. Okay, the that point, which means the market will come down on this point. It may break the zone like here, as it did in the past. It may break the zone and seller may thought that sellers will think that the next target of the gold is this level, and then it will do a prank again. Okay, so from that point it will go above and in the above direction. Okay, the market can meet its triangle, its trend line once we extend a trend line from here. Okay, it could be anywhere, it is not confirmed yet, but this may be a valid point. The market can retest this candle. The perfect area for buying is obviously the red zone. If somehow this red zone, if somehow market break the level, it will trap the sellers, then it will go in the above direction and the sellers can trap, and many accounts of sellers got wash out. Okay, so let's take a look on day one. According to day one candle, as you can see, this is a Moro Bozo candle, and as you know, the Moro Bozo candle is is a great indication of further buying, because there is no wick of the candle. If you zoom out that, this is full candle. Full means the upper wick of the candle is very short. As you can see, the wick is very short. That's why this candle is a special candle, which is known as Moro Bozo candle. Okay, so according to daily candle, this is the zone and this is the resistance. The market will behave as a support level from here level, but it is acting as a resistance level from the downside, which means this area is also very important according to H4 candle. And I told you that the market will prank with the sellers. It will make a small candles like that. Sellers will think that the structure is broken down, and the very next candle will be in the bullish direction, and obviously this will be a planned prank. Okay, simply the best area of buying is this zone. Let me draw it once again, the red zone. Okay, so the market can retrace again to this level. If it will do so, then it will correct itself and we will see further buying in the pair of gold. And let me show you what are the new targets of gold. Let's draw a Fibonacci retracement level, the trend base fib extension, buying, selling, and again buying. According to this, as you can see, the next target of the gold is 2740, but the market can retrace on the level of 2711 or the 50. As you can see, the 50%, my rejection area is that the market can make a rejection towards 2686 to 2680, and then it will again in the bank direction. Okay, so in the smaller time period, I told you that there is a possibility that market can retest this level 2711. If not, the market can again retest this level 2688, then it will be in the buying direction. Okay, so this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. The condition is very similar, and you should join our VIP as well as free group. The comment is in the description and in the comment section of the video. Thank you very much for your support, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.